looks good.
Not sure whether I can see or not.
Can like that.
So you order with the stomach.
Sample. Yeah, the meat, stomach, tripe.
We're sharing one bowl.
Yes, we are.
全部来齐好吗？
Yeah.
啊，来切，
Yes.
来切。
来齐就9块8。
现在还吗？
Pay now is it?
啊，可以吗？啊，不可以，现在
可以，
啊
可以吃些吗？Let's try first.
Hey, the soup is very nice. So add this one.
What is it?
Tripe. This tripe. That means stomach. Nah, this
Oh
tendon.
my god.
Then this is the meat lah, but it has some cartilage and tendon also because it's cut out from the same piece one. So yeah, there's 3 things.
The soup is nice. I want to try the beef. Yeah.
So in case they didn't see just now, try.
Oh.
This is the meat, and this is the tendon.
The meat is very soft.
Okay. The tendon. This is the tendon.
The tendon is so big.
Try biting it. It's very soft one. I like the soup though.
I like the soup too.
It's your first time having beef noodle here, right? In Tangkang
nice.
generally.
It's nice.
So we finished everything. Was it nice?
Yeah, it was nice.
Delicious, right? Just that the portion is a bit small only lah. I mean, even though you order small, right, the meat is a bit less for like the tendon.
But we shared 2 person, maybe that's why.
No, but still, that's why I was saying, I mean, even portion wise, right, the tendon alone was only 1 piece.
Oh.
1 piece of tendon only, but overall nice lah this. So we're at this place called Yuan Wei Assam Fish Restaurant. We ordered the Jian, we didn't order Assam fish. Hey, very fast, you know, less than 10 minutes they managed to do these 2 dishes out. Let's try. Sotong.
It's very fresh.
Wow, sotong is very fresh. It's not chewy at all. Just frozen seafood is definitely rubbery.
Very nice, very soft. You cannot taste the onion. You cannot taste the onion, not stingray.
This is so fresh.
It is so damn fresh.
Oh, the sotong is very fresh.
这个2个多少啊？
一个13，一个18。
OK
然后凉茶3块。
Okay, thank you.
34啊，18。
That's a
这是31省吃哦。
Okay. 关贵.
Why is it Guang? Okay, maybe it's K-U-A-N-G lah, but it's wrong, it's wrong.
Cam quý á. Cam quý à? Is it cam?
What is Kam Kui mean?
I don't know.
What is very soundful in Hokkien?
Quang Gu. You see KK ma, the initial of the 2 words
The second letter
of the second word.
of the second word is O.
Oh, Quang Goi. Is it not? Is it not?
Ayo, I already teach you already. It's Jinjia Kang.
Kang Ko.
Yes!
I remember suddenly. This place actually looks nice. I can take also. Okay. Bawa. This is our room at Ginger Flower Boutique Hotel, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, it's a bit small. Like, she's trying to avoid the camera, but she can't because it's really, really small. But I really like the design and everything.
Yeah, this design
It actually-
is nice.
First of all, it smells like a proper hotel. There's no bad odor. They took the effort to actually place all the towels like this, shape of flower, the pillow facing you when you come in. Yeah, this is very special. You want to open it?
Yeah, I wanna. You see, it's halfway one.
Oh,
This is nothing one.
yeah.
So come here. Oh my goodness.
Pull.
Oh, they pull one.
Yeah.
Oh.
Look at that. It looks very clean. Very nice.
Okay.
Oh, one thing to note, the receptionist was very friendly. I read in the review that people say she's very friendly also. Yes, she made out very friendly. Oh, and this side is a shower, rain shower. By the way, this is based in one of those heritage houses on Jonker. If you guys walk through Jonker, right, you'll see those small boutique hotels. Yeah, this is actually one of those there. Well, it doesn't have a safe, but it has minibar, flat screen, complimentary tea, coffee, Lipton. So yeah, that's it. Okay.
Okay, let's settle down.
Do you realize something? That it's very deserted. Okay, I'm not very deserted. Sorry, wrong word. Wrong usage of word. What I mean is that it's not as crowded as usual. You remember when we came last time? It was a pain to actually walk on this sidewalk one.
Yeah.
You gotta keep going out. Well, technically it's still early. What time is it right now? 5.
It's 5.
But still, you look at the number of people on the streets, right?
Oh, so it's coconut.
Oh, yeah. This girl here loves the coconut shake. Verdict.
I think people just don't know how to make coconut shake. I
Yeah,
don't know why
yeah.
Malacca punya coconut shake is like this.
Except for Clevang. Clevang is still okay. But Fruit Lala one is really nice.
Yeah, this one totally cannot compare to Fruit Lala, you know.
Yes, this?
Right?
Is it?
Yeah.
If I go on a becha, right, I would want a relaxing ride. Why is it so noisy? I don't know.
You can ask the fella close for me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see. It just feels so dead. So
Yeah.
quiet.
Maybe it's still early lah. We come back later to see.
The worst still is that it's drizzling now. Imagine if it's raining already.
Yeah, totally no one.
See,
right?
kan? Oh, you're pulling it away? Or you wanna have it all? Wait, Mama.
No, B, you need to lick it.
I don't like durian ice cream, you know. But
Nah.
this one, right? Very nice. So we're actually waiting for the person to bring out our key. We're gonna head to a friend's wedding. We got our little private valet parking place. Ding. Early morning at Jonker Street. This guy is blocking the road. Beach.
Bye.
Biasa je lah.
The biggest photo is also one is two on the top here.
Yeah.
We should get electric bike. Yes, we correct. We should get electric bike with that one, and then we should foldable one, so that we can go anywhere, even in Malaysia.
Yeah.
We can, you know, go further.
Yeah. Yeah. No crowd at all. The Malacca River.
Okay, you wanna cross and we take it to that? Come.
So we're at this Jonker 88, the
Heritage?
Jonker 88.
88 ah?
Yeah, the overrated place, as said by many. We're here to try the laksa kawin, which is laksa and nyonya laksa mixed together. They mix the soup together.
Actually the durian chendol, right?
Durian chendol.
I saw they just blend the durian and then you just put fill.
Okay, let me try. I really want to try the taste of it. You know what? It tastes just like Dodo chendol. As compared to last time. Now you don't have to queue left for anything. Maybe you have to queue later on lah. But we came here, you don't have to queue at all. Look at the inside. So let's try this Kawin.
I don't like red bean rice.
This is very unique taste. Asam laksa plus curry. Yeah. For the record, they actually use tuna, not the usual big. Yeah, man. And it's not big. This is like processed tuna. The canned tuna. So authenticity is questionable. But taste-wise, it's spicy, sourish because of the asam laksa soup. Oh, you know what it reminds me of? It's like a better version of your lemak asam. Lemak laksa in Belize. It's a better version of that. Oh, but it's spicy. Yeah, it's spicy. It's spicy enough to make you cough. I think I'm gonna finish this. I think you won't want.
11.15 cents.
11 ringgit and 15 cents. You get a fish ball, half an egg, 2 prawns, 2 fuzo, 3 a spoonful of processed tuna. That's it. Oh, it's spicy.
Otak.